Atlanta, Georgia, a city known for music, culture, history, and one street food that quietly became its identity. Not burgers, not pizza, not tacos, wings. But not just any wings, Atlanta lemon pepper wings. Atlanta has always been a city of movement. Railroads, businesses, musicians, dreamers. Everyone passed through here. And when people move, food moves with them. In the 1960s and 70s, soul food restaurants were everywhere across Atlanta neighborhoods. Fried chicken, collard greens, cornbread, comfort food that told stories of family and survival. But street culture was changing. Late-night crowds needed something fast, something bold, something addictive. That's when wings stepped into the spotlight. They were cheap, easy to cook, perfect for sharing. At first, they were just another menu item. No one knew they were about to become the food symbol of Atlanta. Somewhere in Atlanta's local kitchens, someone had a simple idea. Take crispy fried wings, add butter, then coat them in lemon pepper seasoning. That's it. No complicated sauce, no fancy technique. But the flavor? Explosive. Tangy, salty, buttery, crispy. It was the kind of taste that hits instantly and makes you reach for another bite before you even finish the first. Restaurants started noticing something strange. Customers weren't ordering regular wings anymore. They were asking for lemon pepper specifically. Word spread fast. Barbershops talked about it, taxi drivers recommended it, friends brought friends. Soon, lemon pepper wings weren't just popular, they were everywhere. Atlanta nightlife played a huge role in this food's rise. Clubs stayed open late, music blasted into the early morning. People danced, laughed, celebrated life. And when the night ended, they were hungry. Street spots and late-night wing joints became gathering places. Not fancy restaurants, just small counters, bright lights, and the smell of frying chicken filling the air. You'd see long lines at 2 a.m. People didn't care about waiting. They knew what was coming. Hot wings, fresh seasoning, paper trays, no forks, just hands and flavor. Those late-night wing spots became part of Atlanta culture. They weren't just food stands, they were social hubs. Deals were made there, friendships started there, stories were told there. Then came the moment that turned a local favorite into a cultural icon. Atlanta's hip-hop scene exploded in the 1990s and 2000s. Artists, producers, and DJs were shaping global music from this city. And guess where they ate? Wing spots. Rappers mentioned them in interviews, artists posted them online, celebrities stopped by after shows. Suddenly, lemon pepper wings weren't just food, they were status. If you visited Atlanta and didn't try them,